Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. And guys, in this video, I want to share with you how to upgrade your Trello plan. Now, I want to mention this: when you create your free Trello account for the first time, you get the opportunity to use the premium for free. I think you get this for about 2 weeks to actually use, and that's really amazing. And I want to say big thanks to Trello Atlassian there to really give this free 2 weeks opportunity for people to try out the whole Trello experience in full premium mode right there. So once this is done, guys, if you want to continue to use Trello Premium, you have to, let's say, literally upgrade, right? So in order to do that, what you want to do is simple click on Trello on the uppermost left hand side. It's going to take you over here to this space where you can find your billing information on the lower left hand side. So you click on billing, guys, and here you have the two options, right? You can even click on compare plan. It will open up a separate window where you can see the whole plans that Trello offers. So you have the free plan, which you literally get, right? And you have the standard and you have the premium, which you literally get for 2 amazing weeks to try out the whole experience there. And then of course you also have the enterprise, which you can always upgrade to if you do so desire and need it. No, so these are the plans, guys. So in order to really upgrade your account, you just want to go ahead and choose the option. So here are the two options here that I'm seeing right here, so you can quickly choose if you want the standard, and you can see how much it's gonna cost, and you can also see it. This is currently set to the annual, so if you want to see the monthly, you just want toggle list to the left, and you can see the monthly fees, and yeah, you get the idea how much it will cost, right? So this is just for one user. As you can see here, it shows how much for one users, but I currently have more than one user at the moment, so that's why you can see my prices are a bit different, right? Because this is two licenses that I'm currently using at the moment. So keep in mind that if depending on the amount of people that you want to add to it and to collaborate with, then you will have to basically pay for individual license, and you can see there how much it actually costs per license. But that's it, guys. That's how it is. You basically choose the one that you wish that you want to use. After, let's say, the 2 amazing weeks of premium is over, you basically come here to this step and you choose the option that you need. You basically come on confirm, and you just fill in your details here basically before you move to the steps, and fill in your card details and all those good stuff, and basically proceed with completing the license that you so desire to use. But that's it. That's how you basically go ahead and upgrade your Trello subscription, guys. Very easy and very simple.